here. Okay. Lift this up, or just grab a ratchet maybe. Okay, 3 left. Let's see, I don't think I can get it from that angle, so I'm gonna have to grab a ratchet. Man, that breaker does a lot of work here. Let's see. Get it better this way. There we go. All right. And last one. So this Jeep does have about just under 200,000 miles. I got it not too long ago. And so I've never opened these up. It looks like it has been opened before. There's silicone sealant all over these bolts and oozing out around here. It looks like they did a pretty nice job putting it back together though. Let's see, there's a rubber grommet. I guess that's the fill slot. Let's see. I'll screw these a little bit faster. So what they say when you put these inexpensive lockers in is they do make clicking sounds when you're making turns in parking lots and things. I don't think that's going to be a problem for me since this is almost exclusively an off-road vehicle. I'd like to be getting this ready to go on the Yukon, so that's kind of the ultimate goal. If it can run the Yukon trail, I'll be pretty satisfied. I've also never been to Moab, so I've never actually been on the Rubicon trail, and I've never been out to Moab, so I'd like to take the Jeep and the motorcycle out to Moab and do some exploring. Okay, here we go. Last bolt out. Let's get this puppy opened up. Interesting. Is there a place to get under here? Doesn't feel like it. Doesn't feel like they give you much room. Maybe I'm gonna need to just get a hammer. Glue it on there really good. would expect there to be a dimple somewhere under here that you can get a pry bar in and pry this thing open. That thing's like glued on really well. Huh. Maybe I should just try hitting the case itself. Let's try and get it straight. Chisel. I actually grabbed a wood chisel, so we'll see if this works. I've used it before for other projects. Oh, here's that really just has a rubber plug. Wow, that's weird. So, it doesn't have a real metal plug in it. That seems bizarre. Okay, now it's going. Yeah, there's all kinds of dirt falling down on my face. Oh boy. All right, well, about to see what's in here. Wow, it's still glued on, really. Here it comes. Alright. Yeah, this just has a standard. Nothing fancy in here. See, it has just the standard carrier. So, I think we're good to go with putting a cheap locker in. All right.